NEC 409.2 states that electrical equipment, including panelboards, shall be permitted to be installed in other spaces used for environmental air where the equipment does not constitute a hazard to the equipment or to the air handling system. NFPA 90-2024.7 3.6 also states that electrical equipment shall not be installed in air handling equipment or ducts. However, it does not specifically prohibit the installation of panelboards in other spaces used for environmental air. Based on these codes, it is likely that the installation of panelboards in the return air plenum is permitted, provided that the following conditions are met. Firstly, the panelboards do not constitute a hazard to the equipment or to the air handling system. Secondly, the panelboards are installed in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions. And thirdly, the panelboards are accessible for maintenance and repair. To elaborate on NEC 409.2, it is important to understand what constitutes a hazard to the equipment or the air handling system. This could include factors such as the panelboard's potential for overheating, the release of harmful substances in the event of a malfunction, or any interference with the proper functioning of the air handling system. Panelboards should be selected and installed in a manner that minimizes these risks. This may involve using panelboards with appropriate enclosures, providing adequate ventilation, and ensuring that all wiring and connections are properly made and secured. Also, the panelboards need to be listed and labeled for the application in environmental airspaces. Referencing the manufacturer's instructions is critical for the proper installation and operation of panelboards. These instructions will provide detailed guidance on factors such as mounting requirements, wiring connections, grounding, and overcurrent protection. Failure to follow the manufacturer's instructions could result in improper installation, equipment malfunction, or even safety hazard. The accessibility of panelboards for maintenance and repair is another important consideration. Panelboards should be located in a manner that allows easy access for qualified personnel to perform inspections, testing, and repairs. This may involve providing adequate clearance around the panelboards, ensuring that they are not obstructed by other equipment or building components, and providing adequate lighting. Regular maintenance and inspection are essential for ensuring the continued safe and reliable operation of panelboards. This includes checking for loose connections, damaged components, and signs of overheating. Any issues identified during maintenance or inspection should be promptly addressed to prevent potential problems. In summary, NEC 409.2 and NFPA 90-2024.7 3.6 provide guidance on the installation of panelboards in return air plenums. While such installations may be permitted under certain conditions, it is essential to ensure that the panelboards do not constitute a hazard to the equipment or the air handling system, that they are installed in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions, and that they are accessible for maintenance and repair. It is always recommended to consult with the local authority having jurisdiction, OJ, for specific requirements and approvals. This is crucial because the AHA has the final say in interpreting and enforcing the code requirements in your specific jurisdiction. They can provide valuable guidance and ensure that your installation meets all applicable safety standards.